What is up, boys? This is just executions, but I'm not going to be showing. I'm going to show you guys on TradingView just because I like TradingView way more and prices are just fucking ripping. Look at this V shape, whatever. Yeah. Copy trade 3x phase, 2 minis, 20 points. Not bad. Let's go. Let me show you guys on TradingView. All right, let's go. Yeah, this is the trade I took. Let me get into first a couple things here. 4 hour. This is where I want a price to come first. Tap into this 4 hour. I know we have this we had this 4 hour that price tapped into, but price just ripped through that. So after price ripped through this, I want a price to tap into this one because this shit is just so small. I don't think any orders are going to be accumulated here. More likely to be accumulated here, which they did. We also have this 4 hour order block as well. And whatever. We also had a 15-minute unfilled that price tapped into. Yeah, let me get into the first trade that I would have taken, but I didn't take, which was this 5-minute unfilled right here. Price would have tapped into this 5-minute and then delivered lower. I would have taken a short 100% to that 4 hour. We would have swept this high top into the 5-minute and ES never tapped in, so there's no SMT. We would have closed below right here, which is a CISD. CISD right there stops above the high of the 5-minute, and boom, 1 to 6. That's fucking calm. We would have fucking banged. Look at that perfect exit. Now, the trade that I did take was this long right here. I did love this long. Stops between below the body, and then it was to this 15-minute unfilled. Now, I did think there was SMT with ES, so it ended up closing at 124. I ended up closing 124, so I'm just going to say I got pretty lucky there. I would have gotten break even on that because we were just trading into this 1-minute order block, so I would have gotten break even. But yeah, I did get pretty lucky in this trade. There was SMT with ES, and now price is just ripping. So I ended up closing at 124, and I won at 124 and won at 118. But we basically like fucking tripled this BPR right here, coming out of this 4 hour. And yeah, this is not a bad trade. I wouldn't say it was A plus just because we were in a downtrend. So I was trying to catch the move back up, the 4 hour PO3 in a sense. So basically every single time price does this, has to come back and tap into something. We never tapped into this 5-minute, comes back here, has to tap into something. We never tap into this 50-minute, and like this to continue lower, and now we're just coming back up. So yeah, that's basically how continuation works. So I was just trying to catch the uptrend to the downtrend in a sense. You can see here, boom, comes back higher, 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 comes back higher. Yeah, that's how a downtrend is. That's just continuation. Now we're just fucking ripping. That has to be Trump or some shit that us. And yeah, this is a trade recap of the day. Not bad. That's all I caught 20 points with 2 minis. Let's go. See you guys later.